carbonara with crab. We use, no joke, 6 yolks per pound of pasta. John's favorite is bucatini. You might want to do 4. 6 is a lot. And why does this look a little bit like cottage cheese? Because we like to make ours with both Parmigiano Reggiano and Pecorino Romano. Pecorino Romano is the proper. You have to have that. But one's sheep's milk, one's cow's milk. So we don't like to judge. We put them both in there. And we whisk these together. Now, John also likes both peppers. He likes a little black pepper and he likes a little red pepper. So I put both of those in. Coat the bottom of the pan. It's about 1/4 cup of EVOO over moderate heat. Don't go crazy, okay? And when the oil gets hot, we're gonna add the guanciale and let it render. Or pancetta. And that's about 1/3 pound per pound of pasta. Okay, guys, we rendered all of the delicious flavor out of that guanciale for John's carbonara with crab. And now I'm grating in some garlic. My husband likes everything with garlic. Okay, now we're going to add in a little white wine. Or you can use white vermouth, dry vermouth. And we're going to drop our pasta. The water is well salted. It should have flavor. We're going to put in just over 1 pound, 1/2 kilo of bucatini, John's fave. And then the magic really happens when we take that magic, starchy, salty pasta water and marry it into the sauce, okay? It's awesome. Tiny bit of thyme to this. Just give it a little bit of a pop. Now, thyme is very citrusy, so I think I'm gonna add just a tiny splash of lemon juice as well. Just a little pop of color to the crab. Boop, just a splash. All right, all we need now is the pasta. Hey, reminder, every time we use crab, make sure you run your hands through it and make sure there's no tendon or shell in the crab itself. Okay, guys, it's the magic time. We're going to drain the bucatini and we're going to add that to the carbonara. Woo, it went everywhere. Get back in there, you crazy octopus. And we're gonna now toss this first with that crab mixture. Now comes that magic part we were talking about, where we take that starchy cooking water that we tempered all of our egg yolks with, okay? And we throw that in there and we turn the heat off. Very important, turn the heat off. This has pecorino, that's sheep's milk, parm, that's cow's milk. And we don't want the eggs to cook or scramble. That's why we temper it with that very important starchy, salty water. And then you have to give it a moment to thicken. So we always undercook our pasta by at least 1 minute, right? With carbonara, I try and undercook it at least 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, because it really does thicken beautifully if you just let it hang out, not screaming hot. Okay. What do you think, honey? Just stick a fork in it?
Oh yeah, don't even need a bowl.
Oh, that's a heavy baby, I hope you're hungry. Oh my gosh. There you go, honey. Happy last show of this show.